Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a wood bead boho Christmas ornament, which gives your tree such a fun and rustic look. For the materials you'll need jute rope, 3 different size beads, a tassel, and scissors. First, cut your rope to the length you think you'll need. I didn't end up measuring. Then I measured how long I wanted my loop to be, folded it over to make the full loop, and tied it in a knot. You can see it here. Then start threading on the beads. Start with the smallest bead, then the next largest, then the biggest, then stagger it back down again. Then thread the rope through the tassel. I did it twice to make sure it laid correctly. After that, thread the rope back through the beads. Double knot it around the knot you made for the loop. Cut the excess. And that's it! This was so easy to make, and I really think it'll look great in anyone's Christmas tree. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.